Hello everyone, my name is Nizar Alief H and my student number is 0049. And now we will explain about input documents. So the first one is schedule management plan. The schedule management plan is a component of the project management plan that establishes the criteria and the activity for developing, monitoring, and controlling the schedule. The schedule management plan can be formal or informal, highly detailed or broadly framed based on the needs of the project, and include appropriate control thresholds. The schedule management plan can establish the following, which is project schedule, model development, release and iteration length, level of accuracy, unit of measure, organizational proceduring, project schedule, model maintenance, control threshold, rules of performance measurements, and preparing formats. And now, and the other one is activity list. The activity list include the schedule activity required on the project. For project that use rolling wave planning or agile technique, the activity list will be updated periodically as the uh, as the project progresses. The activity list includes an activity identifier and a scope of work description for each activity in sufficient detail to ensure that project team members understand what work is required to be completed.
Hello, my name is Katarina Nimas. I'm an RPO 52118400020, like an RP20. And first, Nizar have explained it, and I will continue it to the next input document is activity attributes. So, activity attributes extend the description of the activity by identifying multiple components associated with each activity. Activity attributes can be used to identify the place of work has to be performed, the project calendar the activity is assigned to, and the type of effort involved. Activity attribute may describe a necessary sequence or of events or define predecessor or successor relationship, as well as define lead and lag and logical relationship between the activities. And the next list is milestone list. Yeah, the next input document, I mean. A milestone is significant point or event in a project. So milestone list is identifies all project milestone and indicate whether the milestone is mandatory, such as required by contract, optional, such as those based on historical information. The milestone list may have scheduled dates for specific milestones, which may influence the way activities are sequenced. And then the project scope statement. So this is a description of project scope, major deliverable, assumption, and constraints. The project scope statement documents the entire scope, including project and product scope. It describes the project deliverable in detail. It also provides common understanding of the project scope among project stakeholders. It may contain explicit scope exclusion that can assist in managing stakeholder expectation. And the next document is enterprise or company environmental factors. So what's this? That's a factor that can influence the sequence activities process include, but are not limited to government and industry standard, organization work authorization system, project management information system, and scheduling tools. And last but not least, the input document is organization process assets. So what is this? It can influence the sequence activity process include, but are not limited to, maybe I'll not explain it all, but some point is portfolio and program plans and project dependencies and relationship. Lesson learned repository containing historical information, like I have tell you before, that can help optimize the sequencing process. And then the existing formal and informal activity planning related policies, procedure, and guidelines, such as scheduling methodology that is considered in mapping logical relationship. So I'll tell the conclusion of this video. Yes, we need all of the input documents. If we remove one of that document, it will be so hard to make subsequent activities, or maybe we can make sequent activities, but maybe it can't be run well. So we must pay attention for all the input documents in it. So thank you for watching this video. Maybe this information have something that you can use in your life, in your real project. Thank you.